Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this mini sonic massager made by RBX. So I think RBX is known for manufacturing massagers, different massagers. So those who are fan of massagers, I think you might want to check this out. This item can be purchased in TK Maxx for 16.99 euro. So this will include, this is a compact and portable massager. It has a USB rechargeable port, 9 heat vibration levels, and of course it's a vibrating massager, right? So let's see what's inside the box. All right, so as you can see guys, the box itself looks really nice, right? And for a price of $16.99, looks like it's a great deal, right? So let's see. And here we go. So what's inside the box? So once you purchase this, of course you will get the massager itself, this massager, and the charging port. So this massager, according to the box, it's actually a compact and lightweight. Yeah, it is really compact and lightweight massager. So it has on and off button here, LED display. So yep, as you can see, that's it. So it has a LED display here where you can see the different levels of heat that you can set before using the massager. All right, so so that's the heat vibration intensity button. All right, so once we activate it, yep, you will hear the massager, and there's a light here. That's actually where you will use, or what you will use to massage your body parts, right? So wow, it really feels nice guys. As you can see, it's really slick and really feels good once you use it in your hands or back, or some use it in their face, right? They put some oil lotion. Wow, this is really nice guys. So you might want to check this out again in TK Maxx store, any malls that has TK Maxx, and just look for RBX mini sonic massager. This is really nice guys. Yeah, right. So it's very handy. You can bring it in your bag, even in your sling bags. So if you're traveling, if you want to feel relaxed, you can just grab it from your bag, use it anytime, anywhere, right? Again, this item is made by RVX, which you can purchase in TK Maxx for only 16.99 euro. Alright, again, thanks for watching guys. Till our next review, till our next vlog. Bye bye.